Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Zone. Today, we're diving into an important question. What actually happens if you stop exercising suddenly? Whether you were on a fitness streak or just took a short break, this video will break down the changes that happen inside your body and mind when you hit pause on workouts. Let's get into it. The first few days. All right, let's say you stop working out. Maybe life gets busy or you're just not feeling motivated. In the first few days, not much seems to change. In fact, taking a short break, like 2 to 5 days, can actually help your body recover, especially if you've been training hard. Muscles get to repair and your central nervous system resets. So, short breaks, totally fine. After 1 week. But what if that break continues? Around 7 to 10 days of no exercise, here's what starts happening. Your aerobic fitness begins to decline. Your body becomes less efficient at using oxygen. You may start feeling more tired during activities that were once easy. If you're a regular runner or cyclist, your endurance starts to fade a little. Fun fact, studies show VO2 max, the measure of your cardiovascular fitness, can drop by about 5 to 10% after just a week of inactivity. After 2 to 3 weeks, now we're getting serious. After 2 to 3 weeks without exercise, these changes kick in. Muscle strength begins to decrease. Your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain fat. You may notice your mood shifting, more stress, irritability, or even mild depression. Why? Because your brain isn't getting that regular hit of endorphins and dopamine from physical activity. By this point, insulin sensitivity also drops, which means your body becomes less efficient at processing sugar. That can lead to weight gain or even increase the risk of type 2 diabetes if inactivity continues. 1 month of inactivity. After a full month without exercise, you may notice a visible loss of muscle tone, reduced flexibility and mobility, increased aches and pains, especially in the back and joints. You might also see a dip in mental clarity and focus. And sleep? It could suffer too. Exercise helps regulate sleep cycles, so without it, you might find it harder to fall asleep or wake up feeling refreshed. Long-term effects, 2+ months. Here's where it gets a bit more worrying. After 2 months or more, your body basically forgets the progress you made. Muscle mass continues to decline. Body fat increases, especially around the belly. Heart and lung capacity drop significantly. Blood pressure can rise, and you become more prone to chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Even your immune system gets weaker, making you more likely to catch colds or infections. Okay, now the good news. You can bounce back. Even if you've taken weeks or even months off, your body remembers what it was like to be active. This is called muscle memory, and it's very real. With consistent effort, you can regain your strength and stamina much faster the second time around. Just don't try to do too much too fast. Ease back into your routine, listen to your body, and you'll be back on track before you know it. Tips to stay active. Here are a few quick tips to avoid losing progress in the future. Stay consistent, even with light activity like walking or stretching. Set small goals, don't aim for perfection. Make it fun, try dancing, swimming, sports, or group classes. Rest is fine, but don't confuse rest with quitting. Short breaks are healthy, just don't let them turn into months. So what happens when you stop exercising? In short, you lose endurance first, then strength, then mental and physical sharpness. But remember, you can always get back into it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Start small and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness content. Until next time, stay strong, stay active, and take care of yourself.